I'm going to show you how to make an easy origami jack-o'-lantern, perfect for your Halloween celebrations. Because origami is essential. Let's go! First, turn your paper over and fold it in half diagonally. Open it up and fold it across the other diagonal. Then fold it in half from this point across to this point. Now turn it around and you can see it's made two pocket shapes here. We're going to open up this one, move this point down to here, and then flatten it down. Same on the other side. Now we have these two flaps here and then the same underneath. Take the flap on this side, fold it across. Now we're going to fold this line into the middle like this. And then this line into the middle. Fold that flap across and then fold the next one across as well. And we're going to do the same for this one. Fold this line into the middle. And fold this line into the middle. Then fold this flap back across. At this point, there are a few things you can do to personalize your pumpkin. We're going to fold the top and the bottom parts in, and you can choose how far you want to fold it to get a different shape. And fold the side parts in. Again, you choose how far and see what shape you get. Now all it needs is a face. Your origami pumpkin is complete. Subscribe for some more origami tutorials and some book folding videos. And remember, origami is essential.